Hi everybody, it's Lynn. Today I'm going to show you how to make an earring to go with this bracelet that we made a couple of days ago. So what you're going to need is you'll need 8 beads. If you're using pearls like we did before, just pull yourself out 8 of the same pearls. I'm using some size 11-0 seed beads, not 11-0, sorry, 15-0 seed beads. I've got my pearls, I have a monte, I have a wire guardian and an ear wire. And I have about a foot and a half of fire line on a size 11 beading needle. And this is pretty much the same as we did with the bracelet, but I thought I'd show you how to put a wire guardian on so that you could make a pair of earrings if you want to. So put on all 4 of your beads and drop them down, leaving enough of a tail that you can tie a knot. Okay, and go through all these beads again. Okay, just go all the way around till you get to that tail thread. Okay, we're back to our tail thread here, so now I'm just going to tie a couple of knots here to secure this. Just tie that good and tight, and then go through one more bead and pull that knot into the center of that bead. Okay, then you can cut off your extra tail thread. All right, now pick up 3 15-0 seed beads, your monte, go straight through like that, and then pick up 3 more 15-0 seed beads. Our thread is coming out here on the bottom of this pearl. So we want to go across and in the opposite direction. Okay, and pull that through. It's going to sit across your pearls like that. Pick up 3 more 15-0 seed beads. Go back through the unused hole of your monte. Like this. Okay, and pull. And then pick up 3 more 15-0 seed beads. And go down through this pearl. Well, okay. All right. Then you've got the unit put together. And now what we want to do is add a bail so you can hang it on an ear wire. So what I've done here is I've used this pearl to kind of drape over that pearl to put our ear wire on. So we're going to pick up, how many did I use? 3 15-0 seed beads. Go through one side of your wire guardian. Now go through the other side of your wire guardian and guide that thread into that little tunnel on the wire guardian. Pick up 3 more 15-0 seed beads and go through the pearl in the same direction, like so. You're making a circle around that pearl is what you're doing. Okay. Now we want to reinforce this one time, at least once. So go up through those 3 seed beads again. Go up through your wire guardian again. Down through your wire guardian. I know that's hard to see. Through the other 3 seed beads. Through that pearl one more time. Okay. Now that you're to the back of the earring, if you look between these 2 pearls, I don't know if I can get you a shot. You can, if you go, oh wait, we need to do another step. How many did I do? Okay. Now once you're out that pearl, pick up 3 more 15 O's and go through the next pearl. What we're doing is we're hiding our thread. Do that again, 3 15 O's, go through the next pearl, 3 15 O's, through the next pearl, and we're going to do that one more time. Okay, now we want to start working on tying off our thread. So turn it over, go to the back, and under where those seed beads are, there is a little thread bridge. You want to get your needle under that thread bridge, just like that. Pull it through and go back through the loop and pull. And you put a half hitch knot there. So let's do one more, because earrings don't get as much stress as like a bracelet does. So if you can get a couple of knots in this, I think you're all right. It's challenging to get through those pearls because got those seed beads in there. So just play with your needle. There we go. Let's do one more half hitch knot. Go under the thread bridge behind your seed beads that you put on the side. Go back through the loop and pull. Okay. If you can, go through one more pearl and then cut your thread. Then take your ear wire. You can use whatever ear wire you want. I'm using these lever backs. Open that up. Slide your earring on, making sure you get the front facing the front. Close that, and you have yourself a cute little pair of earrings. And you can do this with anything. It doesn't have to be pearls. If you don't want the montees on there, just use seed beads instead. You know, do a whole thing of seed beads instead of putting the monty on there. But that's how easy it is to make these earrings, you guys. All right, well, I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, please feel free to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so, because I'd love to see you back. All right, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.